Ranger Quail Gunville, September 6th, 2024. So, hi, my name is Ranger, and today, for my illustration, I will be talking about the prokaryotic cell interaction and the eukaryotic cell interaction. So here, this is just a preface to my image. So this one's just showing the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell that I drew. Just looking obviously at the main difference, your prokaryotic cell is a lot smaller than your eukaryotic cell. And just looking also at our nucleus here and how there is not one listed here in your prokaryotic cell and how it's just floating there in the cytoplasm. So that's just a brief thing just to show that illustration. And now there are many different ways that the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell have interactions, and there are some examples in the immune system, in the digestive system, in the immune system, reproductive system, and urinary system. Those are just some examples that were listed in class. And so one of the, I guess you could say, specific examples that I chose was looking at the bacteria in the immune system. So we can take a look at the illustration that I drew for the class. So if we take a look on the right here, you can see what I decided to choose for this example is a macrophage. And so let's discuss for a second on what a macrophage is. And that is a type of white blood cell that comes from your innate immune system, because your immune system is broken down into two different types, which is your innate and your adaptive immune system. So in your immune system, this is where your first line of defense, in which your monocytes, your macrophages are all brought from your blood. They come from your blood. So here you can see this macrophage. If you look up here, you can see these pink-ish round, like elongated projections. These are the bacteria. And so in this example, I'm talking about the macrophages are my eukaryotic cell, and the prokaryotic cell interaction here is going to be the bacteria. So let's say you get a cut in your leg outside, and when you open a cut in your leg, there's an entryway for bacteria to enter. So once they enter, and then your bloodstream is going to release these macrophages to phagocytize the bacteria. So here they have these long-legged projections here that are your pseudopods, and those are just kind of like appendage-like projections that will help the macrophage move, and so they're able to move and eat food and things like that. So if we take a look here, you can see they latch onto it, and then if we move to the left, you can see here that the bacteria are now in this circle thing, and this is called a vesicle. And this vesicle is here to help sort of take that bacteria from outside to inside of this macrophage. So once the bacteria are in this vesicle, you're going to have these things down here in the blue, which are called lysosomes. And these lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that will help to break down this bacteria. And so in order for this to happen, the vesicle and the lysosome are going to fuse together. And as a result, then those digestive enzymes are going to release and interact with the bacteria and then cause the breakdown of it. And so it will go through breaking down that process and then eliminating it from the macrophage. And if you want to also take a look here, you can just see there is a nucleus that is located here in the macrophage. So here is a closer view of the bacteria, which is in the pink, my lysosome, my nucleus, and my vesicle, and my pseudopods. So Thank you, and that is the bacteria and the an interaction between